Hey guys, welcome to Gadget World. So today I'm going to show you how you can get the Amazon Prime membership for free. So this trick will work on Android, iOS and as well as on the Windows. So without any further delay, let's get straight into this video. So here I'm using the Google Chrome on my iOS device because the Safari does not support the Google Translator. So on this I'll go to amazon.de, which is the German version of the Amazon application. Here you have to wait for the Google Translator to convert your page into English, and as soon as it converts, go to the top left corner and click on Hi Register option, and under this you can see the create an account option in which you'll be asked the surname, mobile number and a password. For this I have already provided a link in the description box below. All you have to do is copy the link and paste it in a new tab. This link will help you create a fake email. I would say it's a temporary email rather than calling it a fake email. So all you have to do is just scroll down and you will find an option called verify. Click on the verify button and it will take you to another page. Keep scrolling and you'll find an option called I am not a robot. Click on I am not a robot and verify the given questions. So after verifying, you'll have to scroll down and you'll find a continue button right here. So when you click on it, it'll redirect you to another page. You'll just have to cancel and stay on the same page. So here you can see how long it will take for your link to get ready. So all you have to do is just wait for the link. Click on get link. This will again redirect you to another page. Stay on the same page. So here you can create your own emails. So all you have to do is just type the username you would want to take. Once you're done, here it shows the availability of the username that you have selected. If it's available, then click on the confirm button. The email has been created, so just copy the email and go to the Amazon link. Choose whatever the name you want to as a display name, and I'll paste the link I've copied. So I have set a password for my email and then I'll confirm my email address. It will ask you a verification code which has been sent to your email address. So we'll go back to the link and scroll down and click on the refresh button right here. You can see that you have received an email from amazon.de. Open that and you'll find a verification code. So here you can see the verification code. All you have to do is just copy the verification code and go back to the Amazon link and just paste the code right here and click on create your Amazon account. Here you can see that you have successfully created an Amazon account, but right here you can see that there is no Prime written under the amazon.de right here. That means you're still not registered for the Amazon Prime membership. So all you have to do is just go on this tab and click on the try Prime button right here. So here you can create an Amazon Prime membership. So just scroll down and click on the try now for free option. Here you'll be asking all the personal details, your bank account and the owner's name and your address and everything that is necessary for the Prime membership account. So for this I've already provided a link in the description box. So all you have to do is just go to the link, copy the link and paste it in a new tab. So this link will help you find all the dummy and the temporary details like the phone number, bank account and the address and everything that is required for the Amazon Prime membership account. So all you have to do is just follow the same steps as earlier. Here again, when you click on continue, it will redirect you to another page. You just have to cancel and stay on the same page. Here you can see a fake name and identity generator. When you scroll down, you can see a number of flags from different countries. Find the Germany flag and click on it. As soon as you scroll down, you can find the details that are dummy but useful for the Amazon account. Remember, these are just the temporary details, so as soon as you use it for once, it will not be available for the next time. So here we'll go back to the Amazon tab and see what's the first information we will be needing. So here it is asked for the account owner's name. So we'll go to the name and we'll copy the name from here and we'll paste the same in the Amazon tab. So after this, it has been asked for the IBAN number, that is called the international bank account number. We'll scroll down and we'll find the IBAN number right here. We'll copy and paste the same in the tab. And we'll do the same for the BIC number, that is also called as a SWIFT code. If you're finished, then click on the add bank details. This will take you to billing address. So to fill up these forms, we'll go back to the same and we'll copy the name from here. And we'll paste the name. So after this, you can use the address as the user has, or you can use the address as you wish to. So here I'm using the same address as the user has mentioned here. So as you guys can see, I'm just only filling up the important information and leaving off the optional information. So after filling all the necessary details, you have to click on use this address. Here you can see all the payment method and the billing address you have provided, so which is all recorded now. Now you can click on the option called test now. So here you go guys, you can see that it's written welcome to Amazon Prime. That means you're successfully registered to the Amazon Prime membership. Click on the continue button right here and you can see that you are already a Prime member. Right here you can see the Prime that was not visible earlier. So you can stream on Prime now and enjoy the Prime membership. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Like, comment and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos.